Hello, everybody. Today, we are in the Universe Sandbox update that has finally released out of beta, the realistic lighting update, which I have done a few videos on in the past. But today, we're gonna try to recreate Earth as close as I possibly can from my memory. Should be pretty cool, and then maybe we'll destroy it at the end, throw Pluto into it, you know, something like that. And like the video, like as that person said. If you got 1 million subs, yeah. Oh, I got the gold play button. You guys want to see? It's up here. Wow! Spaceship. Hey. There's the camera. You can see yourself. We're gonna start with the sun, and then we're gonna start with random rocky planet. I know that it's 1 AU away from the sun because that's what an AU is. They changed. How do I do? Whoa, why did they change this? Whoa, this is all different. How do I show orbit lines? Why do I have to scroll down so much now? I don't know if I like that. Here's our planet that is going to be Earth. Earth looking earthy. Okay, we just started, but let's be honest here. Imagine Earth like billions of years ago. When did Earth form? This honestly doesn't look too bad for our start, right? To not cheat on the size and mass, we're gonna do kilograms and kilometers instead of comparing it to Earth. So, how big is the Earth? It's like what? 12,000 miles. No, this is radius. I want circumference. Can I do that? 12,000 kilometers is the Earth. Yeah, that's the circumference. But radius is from the core to the surface. So let's go a little smaller. I'm gonna guess 6,000. Don't tell me. I don't want to know. I want to guess. It's from memory, and we'll see how that lines up. For a composition, can I just do like percentage instead of the mass? Oh yeah, percentage. I think it's got to be like 30% iron, 70% silicate. That's my guess. We should start with Earth. That'd be cheating. So that's our composition and size for now. Some things I'm gonna know immediately, like the rotational period is 1 day. Pretty easy. Our tilt, we can do that. This looks terribly tilted. Earth is tilted, that's why we have seasons, but it's definitely not that tilted. It's probably more like this. Let's go with that. Add water. We have to start with the basics. You can't just throw water on a rock and call it Earth. You have to have an ideal home for the water to live on. Water will come. Is it tidally locked? No, the rotational period's 1 day. So if we speed up time, you'll see that it does rotate. And there's the sun. And our orbital period is 1 year. Perfect. So the rotation and the orbit are lined up with Earth. What do we do next? Probably atmosphere. So the atmosphere mass, this is also going to be kind of cheating because we can just set the surface pressure to 1 atmosphere, or even one bar is the same, I'm pretty sure. You would need nitrogen. I know, okay. Majority of Earth's atmosphere is nitrogen. It's like 70% nitrogen. These are ballpark numbers. 70% nitrogen, 29% oxygen, and then 1% other things. I think that's probably pretty close. So what if I just do this? 0.92 atmosphere of Earth. We do want the surface pressure to be 1 bar. We'll do 1 atmosphere and that should line up. All the units are based around Earth, so kind of hard not to cheat. Okay, well that's running. We need to look at the elements in the atmosphere. This whole elements thing is new-ish. Okay, atmosphere is 100% nitrogen right now, so we need to add some oxygen. Do I just shoot some oxygen into it? I don't know how to add an element. Add new materials. Look at that. Oxygen. So the entire atmosphere is made up right now of 4.8 e to the 18. So let's just do 4.8 e to the 17 for oxygen, and then we'll see how that stacks up. That looks nothing like Earth chip. If one more person says that, I'm gonna crash out. We're making Earth. We're not starting with Earth. This isn't done. It's not done. So atmosphere, very ugly planet, dude. Oh my, dude. So the atmosphere is probably too much, a little bit, yeah. So we turn down the nitrogen. Why is it not going down? Change it to 4.0. Give it some carbon dioxide. We probably should give it some carbon dioxide because that's what plants breathe, right? Biologists. So carbon dioxide, next. We will set it to 4.8 e to the 16. What is our atmosphere mass? It's too small. So we need to add more. The pressure is good though. So I think pressure is more important because I already know we're too small, but I'm not changing it because I locked it in. No, not that much. You just killed us. That's not that much because e to the 16 is a power of 10 less than 17 and a power of 10 less than nitrogen than 18. Like, for example, it'd be like if we had 100 nitrogen, we'd have 10 oxygen and 1 carbon dioxide. The pressure is good, so I say we keep this, and then now we're gonna add some water. So the sea level here, please don't mess anything up when I do this. Oh. Okay, I can already see continents. So like this could be our Africa and then Europe. Can I turn on the flashlight? They changed this. Flashlight. Okay, hear me out. Africa, Europe, Asia, and then this we'll have to figure this out. North America, South America. We'll put an Antarctica. Australia will end up around here. Pangea, are we making primitive Earth? Do we move on to continents now for drawing? Yeah, this is where we need to lock in. Okay, so we need to go tools, planetscaping. We're gonna pause time for this. So we want elevation. Wait, no, I need to unpause because I need to see the... Wait, 20 kilometers a second. That's a lot. What's Africa look like? It's like got like a shape here. That looks more like South America. Let me imagine Africa. Okay, I think I got it. I don't think he got it. What do you mean, dude? Watch this, watch this. This goes out more, right? And this is rounder. Okay, we're gonna draw first and then we'll adjust elevation because anytime I try to add elevation, it just maxes it out. We're making tons of Mount Everest shapes on here. Scale of 1 to 10, how close is this to Africa? 8, -10, 10, 7, 0. Okay, it's not 0. 6.9. Nice. I'll take it. Where's Madagascar? Oh, you're right, you're right, you're right. Madagascar. Then we're gonna have Europe up here. So this is gonna be water. So just go ahead and get rid of all this for now. We're digging very deep trenches of the ocean. This is where the sea monsters will live. All right, Europe. I don't know how this all connects. Like if I look at a map, I could be like, yeah, that's what it looks like. But I can't draw it. These are like pretty close, right? So like Spain, let's say Spain's here. And then Italy's like here maybe. I can't get super precise. So there's Italy. How else does this go? We have like the UK up here somewhere. Isn't the UK like pretty small? That's Norway. UK is up here, right? Add spaceship country. I live in North America, which can be over here. But I started with Africa because it's probably the easiest, let's be honest. I guess we can kind of draw Asia. It can be very big, right? All the way up here. Russia reaches pretty high. And then, you know, it has like that weird part sticking out that like almost connects to North America here. No, it'll be more like at this angle. I think I curved this up too high. It's supposed to be more like this. Yeah. This is all from memory too. I'm not looking at a map. People have to slide down mountains to get to the oceans. Yeah, not my problem. Life evolves to its environment, you know? So like, I don't choose what life develops. That's evolution's job. I just build the planet and they'll figure it out. Okay, Europe looks good, right? What does Europe look like, dude? Something like that. Spain, Italy. What else is there? France somewhere in here? Asia is gonna go down here. You know, you get China here. What does Southeast Asia look like? That's where Thailand is, right? It like does something like this. Middle East. It's in there somewhere. Oh wait, India. This is India. Wait, no, India's more over here. This is India. There's India. I don't think it makes like this curve. Okay. So I think it'll probably extend maybe that far for Russia. And then that connects to like Alaska here. And then we get Canada. These are vague shapes. Just keep that in mind. Wait, hold up. Where's the equator? So like that's North Pole. Where's the South Pole for real? It's here. Antarctica is really not huge. You can tell that this is Earth. Like, no one's gonna be like, but that looks nothing like Earth. I mean, you guys would probably say that, but no one's actually believing that this doesn't look like Earth. Did I make the continents too big? Because like, there's supposed to be a giant ocean here. It's probably fine. This is Greenland. This is Canada. So this is America here. Something like that. And then America, we're gonna have California right here. Maine, Florida. Texas is right there. I mean, Texas just connects into Mexico. North America is too big. There's no more space for South America. Dang, you're kind of right. Okay, this is gonna be South America right here. So like Chile's here. Wait, that's bad. Okay, we need like a Central America section then. So maybe we make America go up a little bit. Okay, that looks closer. If you look at the map, Gulf of Mexico. Okay. Yeah, that's right here. We still have a pretty big ocean here. I think the scale at the top is just a little off. Okay, Australia is here. No, lower. Okay, there's Australia. And we can't forget New Zealand, dude. I will forget Japan probably, but not New Zealand. Africa's too small. Yeah, I think you're right. Africa is bigger in real life. We'll extend it out to where I put Madagascar. Ignore the mess. Cleaning it up right now. Now it looks too fat, dude. Let's cut off this edge. Africa. How come it looks so much better on the map than it does on the planet, dude? Can I make some random small islands? Yeah, like Hawaii. We need Hawaii. Wait, dude. New Zealand is here and America is here. Okay, yeah, this is not good. Hawaii. Okay, I think I like that. I think I'm done. Do we need the North Pole? Like, where's Greenland? This is Greenland, so like this will connect to like some islands or something. Fix Africa, Madagascar is gone. Oh, you're right. I am so sorry. There's Madagascar.
Add Tornado Alley and tornadoes can spawn in central USA.
Just add like a big, like, hole. Here we go, Tornado Alley. Do not live here. The elevation difference is hundreds of kilometers. This is by far the biggest elevation difference in the entire planet. It's max elevation the game will let me do to the minimum. Okay, I like that. Now we gotta color it. Ooh, nice. Okay, sorry, Europe, you're gonna be iced up. City lights. Yes, please. We change the city light seed. Wait, why does it actually kind of line up? Not really. Yeah, North America is supposed to be this size for reference. But how does it line up well enough to know that this is Europe or this is Asia and like Japan would be here? But it's not 90%, but still good job. Let's see what it's at. 89.4. What is happening? Why are you glitching out? There's carbon dioxide in the ocean. Okay, 89.4. So it's not over. If I can make it higher, the map is 80%. Okay, yeah, guys, rate my map. Here's the map. There's probably a way to actually see it colored. Rate this out of 10 for accuracy to Earth. It looks like you put a piece of paper down and you're like, okay, I'm gonna draw Earth in 30 seconds. And you just quickly scribbled everything out. But you can tell it's supposed to be Earth. So I will take that. I'm gonna speed up time and see how the temperature looks. Because as it goes up like this, the life likelihood should also go up. Oh, it's going down. Uh-oh, pause. Okay, 88.9. I think we're about done. We could add a magnetosphere. How do you do that? Composition, probably. That's too big. Like this, to shield from the solar radiation. I don't think that actually affects life likelihood. I don't know how to raise it. It's not perfect, but if Earth is only 91% life likelihood and mine was like, before it started going down, it was 89 point something. That means I'm only 2% away from Earth, which means I did 98%. Like if this was a test, I got 98% on the test, which is an A. The temperature is crazy or I'm just tripping. Is it? Yeah, the oceans are really hot. 30 C. So I'm not gonna press play.
Make Indonesia or I will get you.
Tell you what, I'll save it. You can download it from the Steam Workshop, add whatever you want, post a screenshot on the Discord, and if it's better, maybe I'll respond. Okay, we do have to destroy it now. Pluto versus the best Earth. Probably this arguably more accurate than the one already in the game. Here we go. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this, leave a like on the video. And if you want to see stuff like this live, click the link in the description to go over to the Twitch and follow there, and you can see me do this stuff live.